Hey guys, this is Rosie and welcome to my channel, The Stylish Sicilian. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm taking you to venture with me to the first ever brick and mortar Wayfair store. Yes, you've heard me right. There's an actual Wayfair store. You can go inside and visit and actually touch everything you see typically online. Like many of you that are probably watching, I'm in the middle of a home renovation project. This entire video was filmed last summer while we were in the middle of a renovation, and it just took me a while to post this, but I thought we still should because I really had a good time at the Wayfair store and I thought it was so much fun to go see in person, and I want to share it with you still. Today we're mainly here to browse, get inspired, and maybe hopefully buy a few things because we need a lot of various things for our new home. So we're gonna go through and see what we find, and if we buy anything, I'll let you know at the end of the video. All right, so we're gonna go in now, and don't forget, like always, please like, comment, and subscribe. All right, let's go in. Downloading the app, you can actually scan a QR code of any item and then you can actually fill your cart. So if you're not ready to purchase that day, you can just save it and hold it and wait till you're ready to. Let's grab our purple cart. Let's go. Hey, Kelly. Dawson, Maine. Oh, that feels so soft and chunky. So soft and chunky. Let's see what the water flow is. Oh, that's nice. Wow, what a good idea. We liking anything, Dad? Not yet? All right, let's test it. Fancy. The lights. I love this one. I don't care if it makes my house look like a castle or a dungeon. I love it. So cute. Dream closet, anyone? Yeah. So cute. Really testing out that bed, huh, Brian?
Get this thing.
Press it. That is fun. It's like being at the carnival. Ew! Gross! What is that? What did you just get excited about? Is that a dream of yours? To get a bidet? So Italian. Not even Italian. Ew! Fancy schmancy. How do I add this to my cart? Plenty of fixtures to choose from. That's funny. What'd you guys get? Uncrustable and chippies? And Daddy got a yogurt because he didn't like the way you looked today. Right, Dad? You're like, oh no.
What did you get today?
Me?
Yeah.
Got the turkey club.
Ooh, why'd you choose that?
Because it
looks really good,
and
actually.
the menu is kind of limited.
Looks good.
Yep.
Look at that.
Can I film?
You can film. What'd you get, babe?
I got chips and then
Yeah? Are you liking it so far?
yeah.
Good.
Okay, do it.
And how about you? How about you? What did you
I
get?
got Uncrustable and chips and a napkin.
All right. Tell me what you think of the meal.
Bad.
Bad? Oh, this is the first negative review we got. So we'll end with that, I guess.
Good.
Time to check out. Alright guys, that's it for today's Wayfair visit. It was so much fun. I can't believe like all the things we got to see today. Brian, what did you think? Yeah, it was pretty cool. I actually thought it was pretty impressive how they let you test the faucets and the shower heads. Really inventive, because it actually helped with the kids, keeping them like interested. We actually didn't leave the store feeling stressed out like we normally do.
No.
One of the things we ended up getting from our QR code scan was this light, which we actually saw at the Wayfair store and Aria picked out, kind of to go with her French themed room. So that was fun. We let it sit in the cart for a bit until we were ready to buy it.
And it was set up in a, if you think about it in other ways, it's almost like an IKEA setup, just a little bit better. A little bit better quality, so I like it a little bit better.
Depends on They had other. They had like even Le Creuset in there, which I'm sure I'm saying it wrong. So we didn't buy anything. We did buy a very nice candle for when we're finally in our house, and then we took a lot of QR codes. So basically, you go to the store, you scan all the QR codes, and you build your cart, and then you can check out. And then you can just have it shipped to you. I actually forgot to ask if they have anything in store that you could get, like appliance-wise. But you can buy a few things there. Like I showed some of the like Halloween stuff, the picture frames, like kind of the little things were ready to go. So that was kind of cool. So some things you can get and some things you can get shipped to you, which is really nice. So we're definitely going back. Yeah. So, but yeah, so thank you for making it this far in the video. And if you haven't already, like, comment, and
subscribe.
all right, see you next time. Bye.